Cast Pauli. Then age 45 years. Now age 82 years. Real name Burt Young. Cast American commentator. Then age 22 years. Now age 59 years. Real name Al Bandito. Cast Rocky. Then age 39 years. Now age 76 years. Real name Sylvester Stallone. Cast Adrian Panino. Then age 39 years. Now age 76 years. Real name Talia Shire. Cast Nicolai Koloff. Then age 47 years. Died in 2010. Real name Michael Pataki. Cast Duke. Then age 48 years. Died in 2016. Real name Tony Burton. Cast The Godfather. Then age 52 years. Died in 2006. Real name James Brown. Cast Russian corner guy. Then age 32 years. Now age 69 years. Real name D. Alessandro. Cast ring announcer. Then age 64 years. Died in 2012. Real name Leroy Nyman. Cast Captain Ivan. Then age 28 years. Now age 65 years. Real name Dolph Lundgren. Cast Caretaker. Then age 45 years. Now age 81 years. Real name George Pipasik. Cast American commentator. Then age 45 years. Now age 82 years. Real name Barry Tompkins. Cast Las Vegas referee. then age 60 years. Died in 2009. Real name Lo Filippo. Cast Ludmilla. Then age 26 years. Now age 59 years. Real name Brigitte Nielsen. Cast Rocky Jr. Then age 8 years. Now age 45 years. Real name Rocky Krakoff. Cast Clubber Lang. Then age 33 years. Now age 72 years. Real name Mr. D. Thanks for watching.